Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been having a lot of fun doing all the different versions of the Ice Godzilla characters. So today I want to show you guys how to do another one, but this time we're going to do an Ice Kong. So to start off this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So they're going to have to be really small so we can fit all of them in here. So I'm just going to draw a little circle up here for one eye. And then I'm just going to draw another little circle up here for the other eye. And I know those are pretty small. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up, down, and then up and down again for the nose. And then I'm going to draw two little black dots in here, and I'm going to connect them with a curve. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here, and then one that's going to curve around here. And I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right in here. Now, by the nose, you want to make a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to kind of come in a little bit. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come back down and then around like this. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's just going to go all the way down and then curve right up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down to here. And then make another line that goes down. Then I'm going to draw some pointy lines for some teeth on the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to put some smaller teeth in here. And then you just want to make a line that's just going to curve down for the tongue. And then I'm just going to put a couple little extra lines in there for the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves out, and it's going to come right back to the eye. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around. It's going to go up, down, and then it's going to go up and then down right to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves out, and then it's just going to come into here. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves here, and then one that curves here, just to kind of show where the cheeks are. Then right up here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down and go around like this. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line, kind of like a C shape, for the ear. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw this line kind of down like this. And then I'm going to put a little bump on the end here for the shoulder. And then I'm going to jump back over here, and I'm going to draw another line that just kind of curves out and then down for the other shoulder. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes out, and then it's going to kind of curve in for the chest. Draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down, and then curve around here. Then, right here, I'm just going to make a line that just kind of curves all the way down for his body. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to kind of curve it down, go in and out a little bit till I get to about here. Then I want to make a line that just kind of curves out. And then one that's going to come right back here. And I want to make it look like his fist is clenched. So I'm going to just draw a line that's going to kind of curve like this for the thumb. Draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here for a finger. Another one right here. One right here. And then I'm going to make one more right here. And I'm going to leave this space here just for right now. Now let's come over to this arm. So I've got this first line drawn for the shoulder. Then I'm going to draw another line that just kind of goes out and then in, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this line and kind of curve it all the way down to here. His arms are really long. Then right here, I'm going to make another line that curves to here. Then a line that just kind of curves right here for where his bicep is. And then starting here, I'm just going to make a line that goes out and then it's going to kind of curve in. And then we want to make this fist clenched as well. So, same thing, I'm just going to kind of draw that little oval shape first for the thumb. Then I'm going to draw another oval shape kind of right here for one finger. Put another one here, and then one right there. And then I'll leave this kind of little bit of space here for right now. Now, starting up here by his arm, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down for his back. Right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out and then in like this. Draw it down to about here. And then for his feet, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves out. Draw a line right here for a toe and then bring it back here. Draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and in. And then a line that goes right back to here. Then I'll draw some more toes right over here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Put a little bump right here. It's going to go a little bit farther down. And then draw a line that's just going to curve right here. And then I'll put a few more curves on here. Draw a line that goes up, and then it's just going to kind of curve up and then connect right to here. Now, I left these hands open, and since this is going to be kind of like an ice Kong, I thought it'd be cool to have him holding like some big icicles. So, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. It's going to kind of curve around and then come down here. It's going to come down here to a point and then come back up. And then same thing here. This time we're going to make a line that goes down like this with a V shape. And then it's going to go up, curve around, and then come back down. Now, for some of the details on here. So, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines around his eyes. Give him some small little pupils in there. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines just around his face just to show that there are some details and stuff. Draw some lines around here for some lips. Draw a little line just kind of curves right around his eyes. Put a couple little lines around here on his head. I'm going to draw some little lines that just kind of go right down his chest and stomach. And then some more lines just kind of around here, just to kind of show where there is like some skin showing through the fur. Draw a couple more little lines kind of going across here. Then I'm just going to add some extra little lines around here. Just kind of give it a little detail, just kind of right around the edges. Little details in the ears. I don't really want to add all the fur texture just because we'll be putting a lot of that in here when we start our coloring part. But there you go. There is your drawing of your Ice Kong. Now, like I said, when we color this, we'll be making it a lot more, ice looking with all of our colors and everything. Right now he does kind of look like the normal King Kong, but we'll be adding lots of details in there. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.